If you were offered a job with an annual salary of $100,000 where your regular task is to fix wind turbines, would you accept it? Don't get excited too quickly. Earning that $100,000 is not easy at all. Experienced professionals in this field often say, you might earn the money, but not live long enough to spend it. First, you'll enter the turbine from a door at the bottom. Your initial challenge? Getting to the top. This is a task that truly tests your courage and endurance. You need to climb manually, roughly 360 meters up, equivalent to the height of a 35-story building. Your only life-saving equipment during this process is a safety harness around your waist. Once at the top, after an inspection, you find that the operating system is fine, meaning the issue is with the external blades. Exiting the turbine to the exterior top, after securing your safety rope, you begin the most thrilling part, working suspended in the air. Why do two people have to do it together? The reason is simple. Through mutual cooperation, they can quickly identify the problem and improve repair efficiency. In case anything happens, they can support and look out for each other. Using a small hammer to tap on the casing, they judge by the feedback of the sound. Minor issues are addressed on the spot. However, if it's a major issue, the technicians take notes and report, and then they might need to remove the faulty blade entirely.